Ms. Bagioni here. I'm here to explain how to sign into computers and how to access a bunch of the things that are available to you through our technology department. As you can see here, we're connecting to Class Link. All of the different Macs in the school have, this is your regular sign-in. It would say sign in to PPS Link. If you're at home or on your own computer, you're able to put in this site and able to therefore connect. For students, you're going to use your first initial, your last name, and if there's any number that follows, and then you're going to use your password. If you have been a student in the Princeton Public Schools already, either you were at the high school last year or at JW last year, nothing has changed. Your password is the same as it was last year. If you came from charter or from Cranberry or from one of the private schools or a school district outside of here, your student ID number is going to start out being your password is going to be your student ID number. And your student ID number can be found on your schedule. You're going to put in your student ID number, then you're going to see a prompt to change your password. And your password can be anything as long as it's 8 numbers long or 8 letters long, but it needs to be at least 8. I always recommend some combination of capitals and letters and numbers in order to keep your whole account safe. And then you'll go ahead and you'll click sign in. And when you sign in, you'll see that there are various programs that have already been loaded on for you. So notice you'll see Power School Learning. This is the LMS or Learning Management System. This is where you'll be able to see all of your classes' website information. Sometimes teachers have you hand in various things or participate in quizzes or questions from here. So that's something that's important to keep up with. Power School Student, that's where you're able to check on the schedule, on how your grades are coming along, all of that. Naviance is something that you're going to want to start signing into by no later than 10th grade. This is where you record all of your community service time, and it's eventually where you'll start using information for college to see where you might want to go, or for career to see what you might be interested in pursuing. Kahoot is loaded for you already, which is kind of cool. I'm sure all of you know what Kahoot is. Here is your school's Google Drive. So that's already loaded for you as well. Code Studio, Quizlet, excellent things to become familiar with. And if you ever want to go ahead and add something, you can do a search in their app library for a particular app, and it'll be loaded onto your particular dashboard here. Now, the first time you log in, you can connect all of these different things to your account. And then once you log in the first time and make all those connections, no matter what computer you log into, this is the dashboard you will see, and all your passwords will already be loaded up. So that's pretty neat. So if you wanted to click on, let's say, Power School Student, it's going to load the application. It's going to give you this sign. So then what you have to do is continue to website if you are not on your own computer, or if you are on your own computer, you can install the extension. That's up to you. So I'm going to, at this point, just continue on to the website. The first time you're going to have to put in your information. After the first time, you are not going to have to, because it'll already remember it for you. ClassLink will do that. You would put in your information and then you'll sign in and you'll be able to get into your program. But we're going to do some where we'll figure out how to deal with Office 365, and we can also even take a quick look at your drive, but we'll do that on another segment.